Let's do this!
It's good to know your limits. When it comes to gambling, don't overdo it. Set reasonable limits with your time and your money. And remember, it's just a game, so play it smart.
Piece of cake.
Need help? Call 1-888-532-3500. It's free and confidential. Brought to you by the Virginia Lottery and the Virginia Council on Problem Gambling.